And after former Karnataka Minister Ramesh Jarkioli had to resign as he was accused of sex for favor charge, the other ministers of the state now are demanding a new law to protect them from blackmailing. Just 2 days back, remember, 6 ministers got temporary injunction from court restraining the media from telecasting or publishing any defamatory content against them. Now these ministers have raised another demand for a new law altogether to protect the politicians from blackmailing and harassment. Remember, Congress leader Ramesh Jarkioli had to resign as state minister after he was involved in a sex CD scandal.
We have discussed a lot of things, and there is already a IT law by Government of India. So we are just examining the whole issue.
CBI probe, sir.
He has demanded twice, but we have to look into the whole gambit of the whole case, scope of the case. So the Chief Minister will take a call, final call.
Neha Ibale is live with us. Neha, what more can you tell us about this new demand that has been raised by the ministers?
Well, Gauri, in fact, this is the former BJP minister, not the Congress minister, who's, actually, of course, resigned from his post as the minister after a video of him went, viral in a compromising position with a woman. Now, what's important to hear, Gauri, is to remember that, minutes after, in fact, days after this has happened, you have 6 other ministers, sitting ministers from the Karnataka BJP cabinet over here who have, in fact, gone on to approach the court for an injunction, alleging that this is merely a smear campaign being run against them with false and malicious content. Now, let's actually get down to what the issue over here at hand is. These 6 ministers who have approached the court for an injunction have now, in fact, not only alleged a political conspiracy, but they've now urged the Karnataka government to actually come up with a law to protect them from blackmailing. Now, this comes, Gauri, in light of the same activist who's actually, put out this CD and a complaint against the former minister Ramesh Jarkioli. After this activist Dinesh Kalahalli went on to say that there are more CDs that he has, and after there was, an attempt to actually blackmail these ministers, stating that these CDs would also be leaked. The first person to actually have this demand of bringing in a law was, in fact, these Karnataka ministers who have now even approached the court for an injunction. So, as far as the government is concerned, their stance on this right now, Gauri, is that the Home Minister did say, while speaking to us yesterday, that, they do, in fact, have provisions in the IT law, but they are going to consider this. We'll have to wait and see whether the government promulgates a new law or not.
Right. Thank you, Neha, for sharing all those details.